Right, so using the Opal Magic paints, we're just going to colour the flower and the petal there. So the colours we're going to be using here are the green gold, and then we're also going to be using the blue pink. So we have a clean brush. Okay, let's just pop that one there, and then we're just going to use the green gold just on here. Now, because I've actually blacked the leaves out, okay, you've got like a black and a white on there. So when I go over the top, I think you should be able to see that. You're just going to get a slight tone of the green, and you're also going to get a slight tone of the gold showing through as well. So let's just go over some of the areas of mist on the other bits. Okay, so, and then we're just going to use the blue pink actually on the flower, so you can see where the black is. It's actually turning that to pink, but on the white parts of the flower it's got a beautiful colour, and it's a very pale blue, so you just need a little bit on there. So you can see you can have some real good fun using these Opal Magics in your projects, especially if you're using like lots of black and white base colours to start with. So just go all the way around there, and we're near enough done. So just a little bit more. Obviously you can use these in a dry brushing technique as well, and there we go, and we're done. So let's just pop that in there, and let's just bring that so you can actually see that. So that is the colour change that you can achieve using the Opal Magic paints.